Open the box. Remove the wrench tool, Autopivot, and knife, setting all other parts aside. Ensure your blade is taped, covering the cutting edge. Open the knife to about a 45-degree angle. Loosen the pivot screw with the wrench tool until you feel it click. Use the pivot screw to push the front pivot and bearing out. Set the front pivot and bearing aside. You will not need these in the swap. Note the alignment slots on the Autopivot that locate over the handle tab. This is the auto spring leg that must locate into the blade pocket for correct auto function. Here is position 1 and 2 on the Autopivot. Line up the 2 alignment slots in the Autopivot with the 1 and 2 marks on the wrench tool. Install your pivot screw. Grab your assembled Autopivot, ensuring that the auto spring leg goes into the blade pocket first during pivot insertion. For softer deployment, rotate the Autopivot clockwise until you feel and see it set into position 1. For faster deployment, you can use the pivot screw to slightly push the Autopivot up and set into position 2. Loosen the pivot screw until it clicks, and then tighten the pivot screw down snug. Push the button in to allow the blade to be recentered, and then tighten the pivot screw until the blade does not deploy. Incrementally loosen the pivot screw until the blade fully deploys, and you eliminate any side-to-side wiggle with the button pushed in. Your knife is now in automatic mode.